Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all of you who are new here, I'm Tanya. I came to Canada as an international student and now I'm working over here full time. So, guys, sometime back I made a video on how I got a job in Canada and what are the things that you could do to easily get a job over here. In that video, I mentioned about a website which is completely free of cost. It's called Acadium, and there were a lot of you who were interested in it and wanted to know more about it. So guys, this video is going to focus on what Acadium is, how you can sign up, the procedure, and how it's going to benefit you. So if you are a marketer or if you are into advertising just like me, then this is something which you should keep watching. This is going to make your job hunting journey in Canada so much easier. And if you're not into marketing, I still feel like there are a lot of things that could benefit you from this website because it's all about marketing yourself, right? My whole life revolves around marketing my job, my YouTube channel, and I feel like everyone needs to know at least a little about marketing. So let's get started. One of the main things that I noticed while finding a job here in Canada or even while finding an internship was that everyone was looking for a job experience or maybe just any work experience. Now, how am I supposed to get work experience if you won't hire me to get a work experience? So it's like a loop, it's like a cycle that keeps going. This is where Acadium comes into picture, and this is where they offer you internships and they offer you apprenticeships without any work experience. So that's how you get real work experience from the website, which you can use in your jobs, which you can use in your interviews, you can add in your resume. So that is how you make your profile stronger and you show people that it is not just book learning but you have real world experience about it. Another great thing about Acadium is that it is completely remote. So you don't have to worry about going anywhere, you don't have to step out in the cold, or you don't have to step out during this pandemic. You can stay safe at home. And for people who have free time, maybe your vacation is going on, this is an amazing way to make use of your time. In fact, if you're aspiring to come to Canada, then I suggest कि आप इंडिया से ही, अपने होम कंट्री से ही पहले से ये कोर्सेज करना शुरू कीजिए. मेक यूज़ ऑफ योर टाइम ताकि आप यहाँ पे जब आओ तो you're already prepared. The website Acadium offers you three options. The first one is courses, where you can learn about marketing and get ready and get the skills that you need for an actual job. The second one is where you get apprenticeships. So basically, you're assigned a mentor, you get tasks which are evaluated by them, and you do a 3-month apprenticeship, which is kind of like an internship. You get a certificate for that, and you can actually show that in your resume. And this helps you get the real world experience that you need. And then the third one is where you can actually get paid for your work. So you can get hired as a freelancer over here, or you can also get a full time job. So there are lots and lots of employers on Acadium which would be ready to hire you after you have these skills. And if not, you can also get hired outside of the website. So I'm going to open my laptop and I'm going to take you through the whole procedure and show you how to sign up and how you can get these things done. Let's first go to Acadium's website, and I'm going to link the website down in the description too, so you guys can directly click over there. Let's go and click on launch your career, and then you have to log in. So I already have an account, I'm just going to log in through that. They also have some news over here which you can check, but this is basically where you go. In my suggestion, your first step should be courses and tasks. So this is where you can learn about marketing and you can know so many things. A lot of times your course might teach you the basics of it, but with Acadium you can get into details of the things that you want to know. Like in my case, they taught us about digital marketing, but they didn't get into the details of each and every part of it. Like they didn't teach us how to market on Facebook in detail, how to market on Google and stuff like that. So those are the things that you can learn on Acadium, and it's completely free of cost, so you don't really lose anything. You can learn. If you like it, you can continue. If you don't, then you can just learn something else. So I am into paid advertising, so I'll click paid advertising and it shows me all of the things that I can learn. You can complete a few courses, you can do as many as you want. Another thing that they have is there are a few mentors that put down tasks. So basically what happens is that they give you a task which you need to complete, and then they evaluate it. So once you submit the task, they evaluate it and then they give you feedback on it. So you actually can try doing these things and understand if you like it or not. And once you feel confident enough about the courses and you feel like you know you have the knowledge and you feel like you need some real world experience now, that is when you go to apprenticeships. You can set up your profile over here. So let's get it set up. What's your goal in marketing? So you can choose which one you want. Let's say get a full-time job. Then next, what's your date of birth, where do you live, you update your time zone. Although you can work from wherever you want, and since this is completely remote, you don't really have to work for an employer who is in your country. आप इंडिया में होके भी कहीं बाहर के employer के साथ काम कर सकते हो. What skills are you looking to gain experience in? What industries are you willing to work in? So I'm gonna say advertising. There are just so many options here, so you can choose whatever you want. I'm just gonna upload a photo that I have. This is just basically to make your profile legit so that people know that you are an actual person. So once you put in all of your details, you will have an onboarding call where they will review your goals and they'll try to understand what would be the best role for you, and then you get verified and then you can get into that role. So guys, this is really personalized, and I feel like even getting on a call with a professional and just talking to them about your goal, this in my opinion is really nice. So once you have all of that, you can apply for the roles and you can get apprenticeships. It's very easy to do, and you do a 3-month apprenticeship, you get a certificate for that, you can put that in your resume, you can get a job. Now if you want to get a job right from Acadium itself, you can go on freelance, and this is where you get people who are finding marketeers like us to get their job done. So it starts with freelancing, but a lot of people also do get hired full-time through this. So this can also be a great pathway for you to get a full-time job. This is what Acadium is all about. They also have an option called Acadium Plus where they can help you get a full-time job within 8 weeks. So over here you have your personal mentors and they give you personalized modules which you can do to get a job. So if you guys are really keen on getting a job and you want it fast and you want that personal attention, then you should go for Acadium Plus. This is basically a one-stop solution to everything. You get free courses, you get to do internships, and then you actually even get paid for it. This was it for today's video. I hope this was helpful, and honestly I wish I knew about Acadium when I was doing a full-time job search, because I remember that phase and trust me, it was not easy. I hope you make use of this amazing tool, and I'm going to link it in the description so you can just check it out from there. And I hope you guys found this video informational. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon. Till then, bye.